Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do let me know how you feel the readings are. Today, before we start the reading, I would like to share some tips with you all. If possible, work on the Surya Mudra today in the morning between 8 to 10 or in the afternoon between 12 to 12:30. You can, when you Google or when you go to YouTube, you will find how Surya Mudra is done just for 10 minutes. Surya Mudra for your energies to be rejuvenated and for you to feel better. And also in the evening, if you have free time today, just spend some time for yourself. If you can go out somewhere, go to a beach, go somewhere, but spend some time for yourself and just be yourself. You will feel good, you will feel better. And also for those who I feel this is what I am feeling, are having a lot of work pressure or feeling very pressured because of work related issues, I would suggest in the evening to burn a lamp, a ghee lamp, and just pray to Lord Shiva that whatever is the obstacles that you're seeing in work, that goes away. Today I feel the color is brown, and if not brown then gray. Some grounding is needed, but let's see what the cards are saying. The first card is Knight of Coins. So maybe you're planning your finances, you're wondering how to handle the financial part. That is some worry which I feel is there, but though finances will come your way, I feel whatever you're planning financially, that will be good, things will go good, just not to worry. And again, maybe some of you are wondering, should you change the job? Some of you are wondering if there's any how to overcome the obstacles, and some of you are having more than two opportunities and not understanding which one to take or which one will be good for you. So the cards suggest that go with the flow right now. Today, maybe just take a break, take some rest, and enjoy your day and not worry about all this. Just do the Surya Mudra. Maybe go out in the evening, and also, as I said, burn a lamp and speak to Lord Shiva. And I'm sure He's going to give you a guidance on how you should do or what is the best decision that you should take. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.